So we want to see how the graph of the sine function and the graph of cosine function look like when you graph them together. Let me start with sine function. You know that the sine function will start from the origin, because from your unit circle you know that sine of 0 is equal to 0, and the maximum point of course is 1, and the minimum point of a sine and a cosine function is -1. And then I will go up here, then I will come down here, okay, then I will come down here at -1, then I go back up like that. And then of course the same thing goes on the other side and so forth. So this is the sine function. So how does the cosine function look like? So the cosine function will start from the top here, because the cosine of 0 is 1. Again, that's from the unit circle. And then it will be coming down like this, because the cosine of 90 is 0. You have -1, then it goes back. Cosine of 270 is 0, and then the cosine of 2 pi is 1, then it comes back down again. The same thing goes on the negative side. There is a 90-degree lag between the sine and the cosine. So if you move the cosine function 90 degrees forward, it becomes just like the sine function. So you have a 90-degree gap between them. Okay, that's called a phase shift. Okay, again right here you have 90 degrees, or pi over 2. So in other words, if I were to take cosine of x, cosine of, instead of x I put x minus pi over 2, or minus 90 degrees, that means I'm shifting to the right by 90 degrees. It will look exactly like the sine function.